All right, so I just got this package in. This is from Prime to the First. It's another vending machine. This is my Monster one that I bought from him. This one's gonna be the. Well, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you what I got. Show you guys what I got. Now, I bought this because I am a fan. I love this brand of soda. Can you guys guess what it is? Coca-Cola. Look at that, that's pretty cool. This one doesn't have a light. Doesn't have a light in this one. This one does, but yeah, this one doesn't have a light. I guess it opens up. I guess I can put a light in here, yeah? I don't know what light I'll put in there. Maybe I have like a puck light I can put in there. Maybe it fits. Yeah, this is supposedly the new design. Slide it in, and you got like a little container there. Slide it back. Oh yeah, that's the Coke machine. It's about the same. I think it's the same size. Yep. But I think I just realized this one is made out of wood, I believe. This one's made out of it's like 3D print. Yeah, so this is what the light looks like. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see, where's the switch? Kind of see that. It's very faint. But I got a Coke machine now. Alright, so I found a puck light here. This is an old puck light. Just had to put some new batteries. Let's see what it looks like. Put it in there. Okay, there's no light. Light. But does it close? I guess that's what it looks like right now. Yep, there you go. Coke. Oh man. There we go. Let's see if it stands up. No, I might have to figure something out. Okay, there we go. I guess that's the best as I can get it. But yep, that's what it looks like with the light. Let's see. Let's shut off this light here. Shut off the light. There we go. That is my Coca-Cola vending machine. Alright, so there is my Captain America and my Coca-Cola vending machine right there. Pretty cool. Oh, I got a dead leaf right here. But yep, that is my Coke vending machine. And again, this is from Prime to the First. If you guys want to follow him on Instagram, check out all his stuff. He got some pretty cool items on his site. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Thanks again.